All right, so just making this quick video. I'm in the car, leaving work, and I was just thinking about it. How last month in December, right, in only 1 month of trading my Top Step prop firm accounts, I have 5 Top Step prop firm accounts. In just 1 month, I was able to make more than I make in 3 months. And it was the holidays. Times are tough right now, and I'm just so thankful that I have the skill to trade, that I have the patience, that I've been developing all these skills, because trading is just so much more than charts. It's about you against the charts, first of all, but it's a huge psychological battle every day. And if you're not on point, if you're not focused, if you're not ready to follow your rules, if you're not ready to stay out of bad trades, then you will lose in this game. You will lose in this game. And it's those little things that eat your P&L. And I was just thinking about it today. Today was almost $1,000 day. I'm just so grateful, man. And if anybody's watching this and you trade prop firms, don't give up, right? A lot of times it's just a small tweak. For some people, there's, more tweaking needed than others, whether it's your actual trading strategy. But with most people, you guys are just right there. And a lot of times that tweak is you versus you, not you versus the charts. You can trade, you know how to trade, but it's just those small, minuscule details that you gotta face, and you gotta own up to it, or else you're just gonna keep repeating the same cycles over and over and over. And I'm not perfect, but I see the change. I see the changes I've been making with my discipline, right? With the psychology, just everything. And it's crazy because in December, that's the least amount of trades that I've ever taken in any month. And how ironic is that that's the month where I started to see, some thousands come in. And it was just crazy how simple of the tweak it was. It was nothing strategy. And I just wanted to make this quick video, just letting you guys know, keep going, man. If you guys are struggling, link up and talk to other traders. A lot of times when you trade around people and you hold each other accountable, you end up trading better. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a daily recap of trading NQ today. And it was during New York session, New York AM. And it was a smooth day. I saw my checklist of things that I wanted to see, and I was presented with those things, and I took a trade. It just so happened to play out in my favor. It just so happened to be a winner. But even if that trade would have lost, I still would have been proud, right? Because it fit my trading plan. As long as you're taking trades that fit your plan, you're good. If you have a proven strategy, you got the numbers behind you, all you got to do is chill and not mess up your own strategy. not mess up your own progress by trying to micromanage, right? A lot of times when you try to avoid losers, sometimes you win, but in the long run, you're setting yourself up because you're going to keep doing it and then eventually you're going to get burned. So, yeah, I'm on my way home now. I'm going to do a quick trade recap. And at the end of the video, I'm going to post the whole trading session. And I'm going to just speed it up so you guys don't have to watch, all 2 hours of it or an hour and a half, however long it was. I'm just gonna speed it up, but you'll be able to see the execution on the screen. And in the beginning, I break down exactly what I saw. So enjoy. All right, so let's jump into this breakdown. So what I like to do first is I always mark out my daily highs and lows, just because those are normally good liquidity targets, which we already had grabbed the low. Sometimes I'll look for a reversal to grab the high, but in this case, we inverse this 4 hour. Let me make this bigger. We inverse this 4 hour, right? Turning it into an ifvg. So I'm like, all right, that was where I got the bias from. Okay, moving on to the 1 hour. After inversing this, I saw we were delivering from this 1 hour as well. So I'm like, okay, we inversed and we're delivering from. All right, we're most likely going to be bearish today, right? And so what I did was, this is in that same area here. This is that 1 hour. But basically, I picked out this inversion. And I'm like, okay, if this inverses, this is pretty much the only thing holding price up right now. And if this breaks, then I know we're going to go. So yeah, we inverse this 15-minute, and that's what we entered. That's a 1.5. I think we took like a 2R on this play. Might have been a little more. You guys will be able to see at the end. I'm going to play the live recording. And yeah, pretty easy day. We were delivering. We inversed. We got our buys. And we just managed our risk. So, and I took that on 3 accounts. So that was good. Probably made like almost almost 1,000. We made like 8 and some change today, which is really good. So yeah, that's today's breakdown, man. Pretty easy day today. And yeah, see y'all in the next one.